Hello, my name is Solomia, and today I am going to read a very interesting and touching story about a cat named Pyro, a brave flying cat from World War II. I hope you enjoy this story. Pyro is a flying cat of World War II. Pyro was born on a Royal Air Force base in Scotland. He was just a kid when he tiptoed into the dark room of photographer Bob George, looking for a warm place to stay. Bob adopted the tabby and named him Pyro. Pyro would hang around the area waiting for Bob to return from his top-secret flying mission. He seemed lonely whenever he was left alone, so Bob began carrying him around in his flying jacket. Bob would whistle as he headed out to the airfield and Pyro would come running. This was a cat that loved to fly. Pyro helped the war effort in his own unique way, flying at high altitude on a bitterly cold day. Pyro was snuggled as usual inside Bob's jacket, icing the wings of their plane, and it crashed plunged into the sea. Awaiting rescue, Bob started to get shivers by. He used the cat's body heat to warm his hands. Doctors later told Bob that Pyro had saved his fingers. Pilots on base thought of Pyro as a good luck charm that could chase away gremlins, imaginary creatures that they believed caused accidents. They would ask to borrow the cat whenever they flew dangerous missions. Bob agreed as long as it was okay with Pyro. The cat seemed to know how important it was to keep everyone's spirits up.
As Pyro closed body throughout the war, Bob would have been proud to know that his cat's wartime heroism was honored many years later. The fearless Flying Kitty received a special award for bravery from the People's Dispensary for Sick
Thank
Animals.
you for listening to this story. Poirot showed that even a small cat could become a real hero during difficult times.